In this video, we will discuss about what is MSS. Okay. So now let's move on to MSS. So which stand for maximum segment size. So MSS is closely related to MTU, but especially refer the maximum amount data can be sent into the data portion of the TCP packet. Okay. Uh, so MSS uh, is the actual size of data, excluding all the headers. Okay, so here, for example, this is my IP packet, right? So in IP packet, there is IP header and TCP segment. Okay, so in TCP segment, there is a TCP header as well as and the TCP data. So this TCP data is, we can say that is it's a actual MSS size. Okay, so if MTU is the size of entire box, you can send through the mail. So MSS is the size of content inside the box after your account for the box itself. So in networking, box include header and other information needed for the packet to travel, while MSS is just actual data inside. So to keep things in efficient, like the MSS is usually set for slightly smaller than MTU to leave a room from the header. So for example, if your MTU is 1500 bytes, then the MSS might be 1460 bytes, while remaining the 40 bytes is used for TCP header and IP header as well as. So data is actually a 1460 bytes. So for example, the data packet include means IP header, TCP header, and payload. Payload means TCP segment, means MSS value, actual MSS value. For example, Ethernet header is 40 bytes, IP header 20 bytes, TCP UDP header is, for example, for TCP 20 bytes, UDP 8 bytes. Remaining payload, uh, which we can say that like actual data is 1460 bytes. Okay, so this is the actual. You will understand like MTU is the entire box or entire packet size, while MSS is the actual payload, which is inside the box, like inside the MTU value. So MSS is typically negotiated automatically during the TCP handshake and isn't directly configured like MTU. So however, but we can set the MSS value in network device as well as in uh, all the network device. We can set that MSS value. Okay, so for example, uh, uh, if you are aware about the TCP three-way handshake, so if client and server, when client is sending your SYN packet, during that time, MSS value will be automatically negotiated automatically. Okay. If we haven't watched or aware about the TCP three-way handshake, just go to my YouTube channel and just check out the TCP three-way handshake video. So this is the MSS value where we can negotiate it during the TCP 316. So if you see the packet capture, so in packet capture, okay, so here this is the packet, right? So this is the TCP and SYN packet, right? So in this SYN packet, maximum segment size value is defined, like MSS value is defined. Okay,